you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah.
Well, good afternoon folks, and welcome back to the channel, Fraser Family Adventures. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, and keep watching to the end. In this vlog, I'm going to do a wee hotel review of the Moxy Hotel here at Edinburgh Airport. Why? I'm here for the night as I've got a very early flight in the morning, and I didn't really fancy getting up at 1 in the morning to head to the airport. I've got a very long day, but that's coming up in another vlog. So for now, what I'm going to do, get checked in, take you upstairs to the room, have a room tour, and then a wee sort of tour of the public areas. Bar, etc. Room only. I'm up too early for breakfast, so room only rate. I am a member of the Marriott Bonvoy programme, so I've got a decent rate using part cash, part points. So here we are, yeah, the Moxy Edinburgh Airport, very conveniently located just down there, sort of beyond is the terminal building, so very walkable in the morning. But I'll tell you something, rain seems to be following me wherever I go at the minute. It's just relentless. Rain, rain, rain. It better not be raining where I'm going tomorrow. Anyway, I've blabbed on enough for now. Let's get checked in and we'll see you upstairs. Ah, compact, but it'll do the job, 100%. Overlooking you can see some aircraft moving over there. A United, Doubletree by Hilton's over there. Yeah, absolutely perfect for just a very short one night stay. The first time using the Moxy brand. Yeah, so far so good. Alright, so let's give a very quick room tour. As you walk in, to the left you've got some hanging space, not overly generous, but yeah, you'll get some stuff hung up here. I guess if you're staying here, you're not here for very long. You're doing an overnight because you've got an early flight or you've come in off a late flight. You're not really going to use this as a base for a longer stay. So yeah, you've got somewhere to put your luggage. That inside there is a hairdryer, a couple of hangers, nice long mirror there. Got tea and coffee making facilities, a couple of tea bags, Tetley, you've got some Earl Grey, and your usual sort of Nescafe, decaf, original, and these hideous milks. But yeah, I'll probably not be partaking in much of that. Nice widescreen telly. Looks like blackout curtains, which is going to be great because I will be going to sleep when it's still quite light. Yeah. I think that's a double, I'm not sure, I'd say yeah. Oh wow, comfy mattress, very springy. Wow, that's nice. Socket there, and on this side you've got a socket and USBs, perfect. And bedside lamps. Oh, nice spongy pillows. Wee stool there. Here we have climate control, which is great. I'm going to turn it down just even a bit more. so it's quite warm in here. We've got the shower room, so yeah, shower there. It's not a big one on the ceiling, it's one just there attached to the pole. We've got some toiletries, shower gel, conditioner and shampoo. Hand wash, and yeah, a couple of glasses, tissues, towels, spare toilet rolls. Yeah. So here at Edinburgh Airport there are how many hotels? There's a DoubleTree, which is just across there. There's this one, the Moxy. There is Hampton by Hilton, and then further round at sort of right round that way towards the Royal Highlands Centre, there is actually Odeon Express, I should say. Rumour has it Premier Inn is about to be launched as well, so there is a fair amount of choice. However, they always seem to be really expensive. Yeah, we've looked on numerous dates, but yeah, the prices just seem ridiculous. We're flying out in June, and the cheapest we could find here at the airport was just under £300 for one night. Shocking. And I'm going to head down to the hotel lobby. That is also home to the hotel's restaurant, bar. I believe the bar is open, the restaurant is open till 9:30 this evening. I'll be zonked by then. And yeah, might have a drink or two, but nothing too heavy for that early morning flight out tomorrow. That, as I said, will be coming up in another vlog, so keep watching on the channel. Subscribe! If you haven't, subscribe, it's free. And you get to see us making all sorts of weird and wonderful content. For now, folks, I'm gonna chill. Next time you see me, I'll be downstairs. See you in a bit. It is real. God, they are. Yeah. Interesting. It's like a boot kebab. Rent an umbrella, £2 for 48 hours. Nice. Okay folks, so I'm back in the room. Just spent a little bit of time down in the sort of bar, restaurant and reception area, but the service it's not slick, it's a bit laxy-daisy. I asked for a glass of Pinot Noir, he was like, don't have any. I said okay, and he didn't kind of come forward and say, would you like something else? And I just said, oh, okay, because I'd seen the menu. I'll have a Malbec. It's not a full service hotel, I get that, but I still expect some sort of level of service, but I'm maybe just being overcritical. But for now, what I'm gonna do is get sort of organised and ready for bed. The next time you're going to see me will be in the morning. I will give you my feedback on my night's sleep. Obviously I'll shower and whatnot, so I'll let you know obviously how that is. I'm looking forward to this, a really comfy bed, so I'm hoping that I get a really good night's sleep. I'm sure I will, but I'll let you know in the morning. So for now, good night, and I'll see you just around about 2:45 in the morning. Night. Well, good morning folks. It's the morning after the night before. 8 out of 10. That's my verdict. Comfy bed, nice room, clean, fresh. Value for money though is where it let itself down. I would say if I'd paid £124 to stay in there last night, I would have felt a little bit robbed. But for me, using the Marriott Bonvoy points, yeah, I'm not quite so disappointed. But there are probably better hotels around about Edinburgh Airport, in my opinion. But 8 out of 10, it's not bad at all, but I was a little bit underwhelmed, shall we say. But never mind, onwards. But for now, that was the Edinburgh Airport Moxy Hotel, and you have been watching Mr. F from the Fraser Family Adventures. Till the next one folks, GD bye.